Hello and welcome back. This is video number 3 and we're going to talk about research. Now, it's easy to want to just research just to research, but what I would recommend that you do is to number 1, try to be a part of the community, the niche, and just suck in for one day what it is all about. So you'll get an idea of what sites, what people recommend, what people like, what they don't, because different niches are different. Some like to utilize certain things, some like certain things, some don't like certain things. So that's what I'm saying is there's no really one size fits all. Now, what I like to do first is to figure out what Twitter accounts are actually doing well, which ones are getting engagement, and which ones are not. Based on the ones that are not, what are they doing wrong? Or what are they doing that is pushing people away from actually interacting with them? What are the Twitter accounts that are doing really well, and what are they doing right? And of course, what are they doing wrong, or what can they do to improve? So you're trying to figure all of that out, and while you're doing that, you want to gather hashtags that are doing really well. You want to gather an idea of the keywords, the things that they're doing to basically create more engagement. Now, what I like to do to kind of pinpoint things is to target in on big brands or brands specific to that niche that are doing pretty well. So we're going to utilize a very general keyword in the sense of weight, losing weight. Could be gaining muscle, could be losing weight. So in this case, it will be losing weight. So what I like to do is go to google.com and do a search for magazines. So most likely these magazines have a good Twitter following. So if we do lose weight, we got Weight Watchers magazine. So let's type in Weight Watchers and see what we get here. So a lot of times you type it in and let's see, can we get that? Weight Watchers. Okay, so this is them right here. Sometimes if you don't get the account right away, you'll just click on people and that will list the actual company or the actual people that you're trying to find. Okay, so we see that they have about 320,000 followers, and we scroll down, and what we're looking for here is engagement. All right, so we're looking for likes, engagement, retweets. So this one here, for example, this one here, this one has 3 comments, 3 retweets, and 7 likes. So if we scroll down further down and just take a look at the ones that are getting a lot of traction, so obviously this one's doing really well because it's got Oprah Winfrey on it, but you can see 39 comments, 36 retweets, 130 likes. Scroll down here. So it looks to me like they're mainly posting authority figures. So if we go here, let's just take some notes here. Weight Watchers. Bigger interaction is people who have maybe used the product that are getting success. Basically testimonials. Because people want to know, if it worked for you, will it work for me? Not that 100% it'll work for them, but that's kind of what goes on in most people's brains. Okay, so we're noticing that they're not really posting, recipes or anything like that. They're simply posting stories of people. All right. So that's interesting. So that's one angle that you could potentially take if you have some sort of like lose weight product, is testimonials, stories, people of like your customers who are willing to share their story, kind of things like that. So that's what we can see is attracting at least people that are following this. Now let's go back over here and look and see if we can find a different magazine. So we got, all right, we got Weight Watchers, Weight Watchers. Um, looks like Shape, maybe. Shape looks like something for a target audience of women who like to lose. Yeah, see, women's health. Okay, so let's just go back here and type in women's health. Women's health. Okay, so this one here. So they got 4 million followers. So they're most likely spending a lot of money and trying to figure out what is working. So let's scroll down. Let's see. Under she's 55. Okay. So just scrolling through here, I'm noticing whenever they post anything related to like makeup or anything, it doesn't seem to get a lot of traction. But the ones that are getting traction are very similar to the Weight Watcher ones, which are stories of people. Now they are listing food, which is also getting traction as well. So yummy tasting looking food. All right, so what this is giving us an idea of is the type of content that we could potentially provide. So we'll just do number one is stories.